A gentle breeze here, Yate Common, so I'm going to try out my cardboard glider. Hi guys, Yate Common, very gentle breeze, not quite enough for my boomerang to return successfully, so we'll give the cardboard glider a go. A little bit loopy there, stalling. Bit of down elevator to try and cure that loop, because I think we got the centre of gravity about right. Try and line up for the camera. Oh, very nice. I'm trying to get it to turn to the left. If you want to know more about this glider, check the video description, because there's a playlist for it. There should also be a link. Which side is it? Up here somewhere on the screen, to the playlist, the build and all the rest of it. This is based on a cardboard kit that I bought that lasted for a few minutes and broke every time I flew it. So I went to the supermarket, got a tray that originally had mushrooms in it, but it was the right sort of thickness cardboard, and copied the original design. And it goes quite nicely. For me, anyway. Let's try a little bit more left. Oh, don't want a loop. That's what breaks it. A bit more to the right. I'm trying to get it to go into the wind and then turn. That's what I want. Might have to take my jumper off, getting warm. There you go guys. Grandad merchandise, t-shirts, Redbubble and cotton cart in the video description. Oh, you're waving around a lot now, aren't you? That's catching the wind, that's no good. Tie it to me. That wind's picking up. Ah. Well, that wasn't intended. Stop doing that. That's more like it. Oh, come on. Nice big catapult launch would be nice on this one. Don't know if it could take the stress. It'd make my life a lot easier. Give it a try with the wind behind us. See what that does. Oh, that's no good at all. Sorry guys, dogs make me nervous. Oh, stop climbing like that. Well, I gave it my best, but we're a little bit loose on the back here. Held in place with my fiberglass spar that goes all the way, but we need a bit of strengthening at the top here. Oh well, we gave it a go.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.